Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today is our 34th last lecture of this session. Here we will complete our ninth junior, inshallah. Today we will learn about 17.2. Here are some definitions regarding 17.2. Three or more than three lines are said to be concurrent if they are passed through the same point. The common point is called the point of concurrency of the line. Concurrency means common point, the point of intersection of three lines. The point of concurrency has its own importance in geometry. There are given special names. According to the triangle and the elements of the triangle, when we draw the bisector, altitude, angle bisector, and the median of the triangle, they meet on one point because triangle has three median, three angle bisector, three perpendicular bisector definitely. Their point of concurrency have different names. The internal bisector of the angles of the triangle meet at a point called the incenter of the triangle. The point of concurrency of three perpendicular bisector of sides of the triangle is the circumcenter of the triangle. The point of concurrency of three altitude called the orthocenter and the medians point of concurrency are called the centroid. Now question 1. Construct the following. Draw the bisector of the triangle and also find the point of concurrency. Verify their concurrency. Concurrency means the point of contact. Where three the bisectors meet each other, that point is called the point of concurrency. First, we draw the triangle. AB is given 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. This is point A and this is point B. BC is 3.1 and AC is 5.2. This is point C. Now we draw the angle. Any radius you can open the compass, only we need the notation of angle. This is 4.5 centimeter. You must label the diagram because you have one point of this, one mark. If you don't mention the measurement or didn't label the diagram, your mark will be deducted. Yes, bisector of angle B. Put your compass here. Open the compass with any medium. Now you see that all the angles bisector meet on one point. This is point I and this is point of congruency. And then we mentioned that angles bisectors are concurrent at point I. You will do the rest of the two parts by yourself. These are the pages on which the steps of constructions are given. You can check these pages and write the steps of construction with each part. Page 256 to 57. The angle bisectors are given. Now come to the question 2. Here we will draw the altitude of the given triangle. Of the triangle, and also the altitudes are concurrent. It means again we draw the three altitudes of the triangle because there are three sides, and also the altitude meet one point, which is point of concurrency. PQ is 6 centimeter. We draw the line PQ 6 centimeter. QR is 4.5. Open your compass 4.5. QR, put your compass on point Q and draw an arc of 4.5. Then we have 5.5. PR is 5.5. 5.5. This is point R. We join R with Q and R with P. We have a triangle PQR. This is 6 centimeters. This length is 5.5 centimeter and this length is 4.5 centimeter. Altitude means the angle of 90 degree. For this, you put your compass on point R. We are drawing the altitude of vertex R. You will open your compass till this side. Because we draw the arc, we need only 2 points of this arc. So there is no exact measurement of the radius. You only draw the arc. Maybe the arc is this one. Because we need only 2 points. It's up to you. You want to draw the smaller one or the bigger one. Now we have 2 points of this arc. This one and this point. One by one. You can change the radius over here. We join R with this point. This is the altitude of vertex R. This is the altitude of vertex R. This is the angle of 90 degree. And this will be A. Now is the turn of vertex Q. Again, without any radius. It's up to you because we need only 2 points. Draw the arc. We get the 1 point on the line, but there is no line for the second one. For this purpose, what you will do, you can extend the line. We can extend the line but dot it. We got 2 points. 1 point is here and other point is this one. I extend the line that you can see easily. This line. I extend PR. I extend the side PR because I need the point on PR. We have 2 points. This one. This is the angle of 90 degree and we give the name B. Now is the turn of the third vertex, which is P. Again you see that only we got 1 point, and for the other again we extend this side. Now in this time we are extended the side of QR. We have 2 points. This is point of concurrency. I told you that my compass is not very good. So this point must be meet over here. Okay. This is the point of concurrency and here is the angle 90 degree. This is point C. As you see in the video that how we draw the altitude of the triangle and they are concurrent on at one point. I also mentioned the page number where you can find the steps of construction of the altitudes. These are the remaining parts. In question 3, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of the triangle. Perpendicular bisectors of the sides and verify their congruency. Do they meet inside the triangle? For the acute angle triangle, always the point of congruency of the perpendicular bisector will be inside the triangle, and for the right angle triangle they meet at the midpoint of the hypotenuse, and for the obtuse angle triangle, obtuse mean in which the one angle is greater than, in which triangle one angle is greater than of 90 degree, there the point of congruency will be outside the triangle. Now in each case you must mention that either the perpendicular bisector meet inside or outside the triangle. The first part is 5.3 centimeter. We draw the angle side 5.3, AB, A and B. Two angles are given on point B 30 degree and point A 45 degree. For 45 degree we need the angle of 90 and for 30 degree we need the angle of 60 degree. Because we bisect the angle of 90 we get 45. Put your compass on this point for the angle of 45 and also in this point. On point B, we will draw the angle of 30 degree. For this we need angle of 60. This is point C. Now we draw the perpendicular bisector of three sides. Perpendicular bisector, you open your compass more than half. Now the perpendicular bisector of the other side more than half. Open the compass, draw the arc here. This is point of concurrency of the three perpendicular bisector of the triangle and they meet outside the triangle. The steps of construction of the perpendicular bisectors are given on page 258. You can see only the steps, but you mention the measurements of the triangles according to your question. Now we have question 4, and in this we will draw the medians of the triangle. We have PZ, one median of the triangle. Now as a turn of YZ, we open the compass more than half of YZ. Y as a center, draw two arcs, and then with same radius put your compass on point Z and cut the first and the second. Again we join only with the dotted line. Now this is a midpoint of YZ. We join this point with X. QX is the other median of the triangle. Now we have the turn of ZX. Open your compass more than half of XZ. With center Z, draw two arcs. Now change the center, put your compass on point X and draw two arcs. This is a page number of the steps of construction of medians. And you see that I draw stepwise the medians for you. The colored lines show you the medians of the triangle and they are concurrent at one point. Definitely you will change the measurement according to the requirement, according to your question. These are the remaining two parts of median. So students, with this question we have finished our syllabus of 9th junior. Alhamdulillah. Um, Good luck for your vacation and also for your exam. If you have any queries regarding your 17.2 or 17.1 or 5 chapter, any exercise, any question, you can discuss with me the last one class. Inshallah, we will meet in class 9 senior. Allah.